We've had this conversation and you seem to agree with me, but when there's conflict.
Good morning, ladies, and welcome to your sexy arms workout. For this workout, all you need are 5-pound dumbbells. Now, if you want to increase the weight, you definitely can. However, this exercise is formulated for those who only have limited equipment and maybe can only lift 5-pound dumbbells. So, if you want some sexy arms, stay tuned. Also, ladies, don't forget to hit that subscribe bell. I release a new video every day, Monday through Friday, so you can start your day off with a really good workout. All right, ladies, first, we're gonna start off with a shoulder press to a punch. So you're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that, okay? We're gonna do this on our knees. Let's go, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep it up. 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. All right, rest. The next exercise is going to be a lateral raise. So you're going to take the weights out like this and then to the front. Ready? Let's go. So 30 seconds on, 10-second break. Nice and easy. Alright, next exercise is going to be curls. So we're just going to take the weights here, curl it up and down. Ready? Let's go. Nice and easy. Don't swing the weights. Nice and controlled. Getting some sexy arms coming in. All right, next exercise is going to be shoulder circles. So you're here, we're going to make a circle with our arms, touch the weights, then down. Ready? Let's go. All right, last exercise of the circuit is just a push-up on your knees. You're gonna go all the way down, touch the ground, lift up, back to your knees. Let's go. Down slow, and up. All right, ladies, so that is the first round. We have 3 more rounds to go. So now that you know the exercises, I'm gonna stop talking and let the music play, and we're just gonna knock these last 3 sets out, all right? Let's go. We have another 20 seconds or so for a break. Grab some water if you need it. We got 3 more rounds.
I've been listening to so many of my days. Now you have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away. Won't let you touch me, won't let you go to my head. 'Cause I know I'm dealing with the devil. But I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump, oh what a fool. But if I fall, I will get up again. I will get up again. Stronger than I ever been. complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind. Wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind. Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold on me and won't let go. I've been sleeping, caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now I'm so. Pull me towards you and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me to open. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything, 'cause you.
Alright ladies, that is the end of your sexy arms workout. That was a killer. Just imagine if I was actually using like some 10-pound, 15-pound dumbbells. So that's what I normally would use. Whew, so I hope you guys enjoyed that workout. Ladies, don't forget to subscribe. This is a brand new channel. Lots more to come. I'm going to be uploading videos every single day, so you can start your day off with a really good workout, ladies. Whew. Oh God, that got me tired. All right, ladies, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.